Our show tonight from Newcastle, Delaware continues with this triple threat match. It is scheduled for one fall. Your referee, Mr. Matt McVay.
Folks, what a triple threat match we're about to have underway here. We're live from the Nuri Shrine Temple in Newcastle, Delaware. I want to know part of the beast inside that ring. Couldn't wait to get out of there. Come flying at us here. What an intimidating force he is. We got Vinny Cenzo along with Lightning Bolt Johnson. Should be a real competitive matchup here. Each gentleman is unique in their own way. Three completely different ring styles, and the Beast just going full Neanderthal with that axe handle smash and a clubbing blow to the back now. It looks like for the time being, the Beast and Vinny Cenzo are working together, taking out the tall and lanky Lightning Bolt Johnson. But this is a triple threat match, one photo finish. Alliances can only last so long in a match of this kind of a format. The referee, Matt McVay, being distracted now by Vinny Cenzo. And now the Beast just choking Lightning Bolt Johnson. Disgrace. Not even caring about the rules. Man, oh man. And now what a forearm smash right there from Vinny Cenzo. Really working on Lightning Bolt Johnson early on in this match. Not a bad strategy though. You get rid of one guy, it's that much easier to take out another competitor. And now, the question is, how much longer until Vinny Cenzo and the Beast go at it one-on-one? Because it looks like Lightning Bolt Johnson is just about TKO'd. Double swing into the corner. Cenzo and Beast still working together. Beast throws Cenzo in there, but Lightning Bolt Johnson catches him and just throws him over the top rope. Oh, and he catches the Beast with a huge size 17 right to the grill. But what a clothesline from the Beast. The Beast off the ropes now. Full madman mode right now. Just what a huge elbow right to the chest, right to the heart of big Lightning Bolt Johnson. And now that low angle clothesline from Vinny Cenzo really setting Lightning Bolt up for a bad day at the office. And a scoop slam from the Beast. This Cenzo Beast alliance still going on much longer than I anticipated. And now it's a scoop slam of his own from Vinny Cenzo. One would think that this is a 2-on-1 handicap match at this point. I think Cenzo and Beast are having some kind of like their own little language here. That's adorable. I don't understand what they're saying, but they obviously understand each other. And the Beast understands that. Hit and a miss. Lightning Bolt Johnson barely able to get out of the way. Vinny Cenzo realizes this is his opportunity, but it's Lightning Bolt Johnson coming to. Big swinging blows to the jaw off the ropes. Oh, catches him with that bicycle kick. The clothesline is ducked. What a back body drop from Cenzo. He covers him up. And it's the Beast able to break up the 3 count. It looked like Lightning Bolt Johnson may have been able to kick out on his own, but certainly helps that the Beast was there in the nick of time. This match continues. Matt McVay's got a lot on his plate here to try and referee a match of this craziness, this brutality here with these 3 warriors of the ring. And back to those double team tactics. A huge back body drop from the Beast and Vinny Cenzo now. And there's Hooked on Phonics work for these guys apparently, but it's their own brand of Hooked on Phonics because I don't know what the heck they're saying. I'm just saying. Now Matt McVay trying to rationalize with the Beast. I know you wear the zebra stripes, so you know you're the man in that ring, but you can't be too smart for trying to rationalize with the Beast. Probably not a good idea. The guy's out of his gourd. Oh! And what a double team spine buster. But oh, there it is. Vinny Cenzo not going to let the Beast get the pin. He wants that win too. A W here in this company could set you up for a future title match in shows to come. You never know. With the commissioner watching, with the owner, Mr. Entertainment, JD Smooth watching, you never know who the next talent to get that big title opportunity is going to be here at Funkdafied Wrestling Federation. Oh, and up and down. Hits it with that Cobra clutch bomb right there. Jacks him right on the back of his head. But now it's the Beast. He says this is the end of the woods. He's going to take him straight to the woodshed. But Lightning Bolt Johnson, oh, he fights out of it, kicks him in the gut. Oh, it's a Warsaw Destroyer! He got him! the Warsaw Destroyer for the 1-2-3. What a win! This is a rising star at FWF. Remember this face. Remember the name Lightning Bolt Johnson, because this young man is going to have gold sooner than later here at FWF. And the Beast in shock right now. Takes a lot to get that man pinned for the 1-2-3.